Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my ninth lesson of D2 chapter number 6 exercise 6a, that is about simplification of algebraic fractions. In this lesson I will solve question number 6 intermediate level that says simplify the following fractions. Before going to the lesson, I just want to say for better understanding of this lesson, you should have the command on the methods of factorization and the perfect square identities and identities of difference between two squares and the multiplication and Levene law of indices with same basis. Let's move to first part of the question. First part of the question is 5a upon 9b multiplied by ac square upon 2b multiplied by c cube upon 8b 4. It's always good to write the constant coefficients in the beginning. So what I will be doing, I will write 5 upon 9 multiplied by 2 dot stands for multiplication multiplied by 8. Coming to the variable terms, I have a in the numerator multiplied by a c square multiplied by c cube upon b multiplied by b 4. Now we can see that in the numerator we just have 9 and in the denominator we have the numbers 9, 2 and 8. The numerator and denominator does not have any table common, so I will write 5 as it is, and then I have to multiply 8 with 2. 8 to the 16 multiplied by 9 is 144. Learn to make your calculations easier. Now 5 upon 144. If we look at a multiplied by a, we can apply the multiplication law of indices with same basis, and it will become a multiplied by a square, and if we look at c square multiplied by c cube, it will become c2 plus 3 c raised to power of 5. And look at the variable term in the denominator, b multiplied by b4. So according to multiplication law of indices with same basis, it will become b4 plus 2 b6. So the final answer will be 5 upon 144 a square c5 upon b6. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next part of the question. Next part of the question is 6 df upon 9f cube multiplied by 3f upon 16 d square divided by 8 d cube f square upon 27 d. Here we can see the question is containing division sign. So what I have to do, I have to change this division sign into multiplication sign, and I have to take the reciprocal of the fraction which is after division sign, and in that case the denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. So my next step will be 6 df upon 9f cube multiplied by 3f upon 16 d square multiplied by 27d upon 8 d cube and f square. Now it's better to write the constant coefficients in the beginning. 6 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 27 upon 9 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 8, and then df multiplied by f multiplied by d. Coming to the denominator, I have the variable term f cube multiplied by d square multiplied by d cube and f square. Now simplify the constants, like 3 ones are and 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are and 3 nines are 27, 2 fours are and 2 threes are 6. Now I can see I'm having this 3, I'm left with 3 and 9 in the numerator and 16 and 4 in the denominator. So we cannot find any table which is common. So it will become 9 multiplied by 3 is 27 and 16 times 4 is 64. Moving to the variable terms, we can see that d is multiplied with D. D is multiplied with D, so I can apply multiplication law of indices with same basis, and it will become D square, and F multiplied by F will be F square. Now F cube multiplied by F square, F cube multiplied by F square, so it will become F5 multiplied by D. 3 plus 2 is 5, F5 upon D5. Now again see that we have D square in the numerator and D5 in the denominator, so we can apply the Devian law of indices with same basis, and I have to bring smaller index towards the larger index, and it will become 27 by 64 D cube. And if we look at F terms, we can see that F square upon F5, so I have to bring the smaller index towards the larger index, and it will become F5 minus 3, F5 minus 2, F3. So the final answer will be 27 by 64 D cube and F cube. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next part of the question. Next part of the question is 2y divided by 4y upon 5xy multiplied by 64xy upon 100 x cube and y4. The question is containing deviant sign. So first of all, we have to change this deviant sign into multiplication sign, and we have to take the reciprocal of the fraction which is after deviant sign, and according to that the numerator will become the denominator and denominator will become numerator. So the question will take the form 2y multiplied by 5xy upon 4y multiplied by 64xy upon 100 x cube and y4. It's better to write the constant coefficients in the beginning. 2 multiplied by dot stands for multiplication, 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 64 upon 4 into 100, 4 multiplied by 100. Coming to the variable terms, we can see that we can simplify this y with this y, and I will left with xy multiplied by xy. In the denominator, I will have x cube and y4. Now, we can see that we have x multiplied by x in the numerator, so we can apply multiplication law of indices with same basis, and same for y. We can apply multiplication law of indices with same basis. Now, coming to the constant coefficients, we have to simplify by reading the tables. So, 2 1s are and 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are and 2 32 times, and 5 1s are and 5 20 times is 100. 2 16 times, 4 8s are, 4 table of 4 is more suitable, 4 8s are and 4 5s are. So from the constant coefficients, I will left with 8 by 5, and the variables x multiplied by x can be written as x square, and y multiplied by y can be written as y square upon x cube and y4. Now, if we look at the x terms in the numerator and denominator, we can see that we can apply the Devian law of indices with same basis, and same for y. Now, my next step will be 8 over 5 and x 3 minus 2, because the larger index is in the denominator, so 3 minus 2 will be x, and same for y, 4 minus y2, y square. So the final answer is 8 by 5 x y square. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the last part of the question, that is a square minus 4b square divided by a square plus 2ab upon ab. Again, the question is containing Devian sign. Change this Devian sign into multiplication sign and take the reciprocal of the fraction which is after Devian sign, and according to that the numerator will become the denominator and denominator will become numerator. So the question will take the form a square minus 4b square multiplied by AB upon A square plus 2AB. If we look at the term A square minus 4B square, it is the application of difference between two squares, and it will take the form A whole square minus 2B whole square multiplied by AB upon, now if we look at the denominator, we can extract A as the common factor. So pull it out, A into A plus 2B. We can simplify this A with this A. Okay, and then on the part A square minus 2B square, I have to write it in the form A plus B multiplied by A minus B, and it will take the form A plus 2B multiplied by A minus 2B multiplied by B upon A plus 2B. Now, A plus 2B is the same term in the denominator and numerator. We can cancel it, and I will left with B into A minus 2B. So the final answer will be B into A minus 2B. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.